Amore.
See?
Where are we going today?
We are going to have lunch in a restaurant in town that's supposed to be Sardinian. So let's see if they can cook something from home. Ciao a tutti! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hang around until the end of the video so you can have a taste of what next week is gonna bring.
Amore, vieni qui.
See? Dimmi.
I know you said you wanted to go out for lunch tomorrow.
See.
What if I was to tell you that I think there might be a Sardinian restaurant in Dublin?
What?
See, Amore. Do you want to have a look?
Amazing, see!
So I just typed in Sardinian restaurant Dublin,
Yeah?
and that's what popped up.
Wow, I've never seen this one. Never been here.
It's not the most Sardinian sounding name I've ever heard, but you know.
No, must be somebody local, but okay. All menus based on Sardinian traditional dishes. You'll find fregole, frutti di mare, malorettus, seada, culurgiones. I mean, it seems to tick all the boxes. Yeah, let's have a look at the menu. Okay, these stars are kind of standard.
Standard Sardinian?
No, standard Italian restaurant mainly.
Okay.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4 dishes that are marked as Sardinian traditional. The rest, I mean, the rest is something that you will see in a Sardinian restaurant as well too. Like there's a squid ink tagliolini or a fish stew. So it seems quite authentic anyway. Like I'll say it's worth to try.
So it feels, I guess, kind of confused because like the picture I've seen of the place, it doesn't. Looking at it from the outside, you wouldn't have any idea it was Sardinian. It just kind of says Italian.
Well, the name, first of all, it doesn't really scream Sardinia. But yeah.
But I guess on the plus side, there's 4 more Sardinian dishes than we've found anywhere else.
That's true.
So, will we go there tomorrow?
Yeah. We shall go there for lunch and let's give it a try.
So, we're in Wallace's Asti.
Yep.
Cucina Sarda Pizzeria. What's your first impressions?
It's really nice and welcoming.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you come in, there's a nice shelf with all Italian and also Sardinian products, which is very inviting, and it gives us hope that it's gonna be nice and good.
For those that perhaps don't know, or maybe haven't ever been to Sardinia, what are we drinking?
We are drinking Recnusa non filtrata. Yeah. Recnusa is the most famous, from there. That's been there since 1912. And now the one we're drinking is unfiltered. And I think it's one of the best ones.
First impressions?
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good variety. Roasted vegetables in the middle. Got the chestnut honey, the mixed berry jam that supposedly is homemade, so nice to know. Then you have 2 different pecorinos, one more aged than the other one. Some ricotta cream and then sausage, coppa and some more sausage over there, and different types of bread.
What are you going to try first?
I don't know. It's nice. It's cold, but you can taste it's grilled. You have the garlic and the parsley. It's lovely.
You're having some honey?
See, normally I don't eat honey, but today I'm gonna give it a try because chestnuts, and this is one of the very few ones that I remember I do like. So we're gonna put it on the aged pecorino. does smell amazing. Now let's try. And it's really, really good. The honey is sweet and bitter at the same time. Pecorino pairs beautifully. It's really nice and welcoming. So yeah, as you come in, there's a nice shelf with all of Italian, also Sardinian products, which is very inviting. See?
What are we eating?
We're eating culurgiones with potato and mint and tomato sauce and basil.
This is a proper Sardinian.
Yeah, this is from the central region, so not from where I'm from, but it's still true Sardinian. It's great. You have a great balance of the flavors. It's the thick pasta, which is what you would expect. Then the potato, very nice and smooth, and the sauce coming in. It really brings you back home.
So, we have just left Wallace's Asti. What's your thoughts?
It was really good. A nice meal, nice atmosphere. Food is good. The pace, the staff is very.
Like when we found it online, it kind of models itself as a Sardinian restaurant.
Yeah, that's the one thing. So we took 2 Sardinian dishes each, and I have to say they were really good and authentic. But overall, like through the menu, they have 4 or 5 Sardinian dishes, and the rest is just it's Italian. I mean, it's good, but you would expect something more.
Overall, a very good Italian restaurant.
Very, very
from
good.
Sardinia.
Yeah, very, very good, because you wouldn't find those dishes anywhere else, like in any other Italian restaurant around Dublin or around, like, normally abroad. So that's a really great plus.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit more.
More Sardinian dishes.
Yeah, please, more.
All right, Wallace's Asti, you were amazing.
Thank you so much.
Ciao, ciao.
And now from one extreme to the other. See you next week.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Let's do this. Marcella.
See? Yes, teacher.